Here in this problem, if 1000 kilocalorie heat is supplied, we have to find the mass of ice which will melt by this amount of heat. Now, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of fusion of ice is 334 kilojoule per kilogram. Now here heat supplied is 1000 kilocalorie. So 1000 kilocalorie, let's convert it into kilojoule. So 1000 kilocalorie will multiply 1000 with 4.184 and that will convert it into kilojoule. It will be 4184 kilojoule.